and welcome back to my channel. I am Anushka from class 9 and in this video we are going to learn about polynomials. This is the part 2 of the video. The part 1 of this video you can see from the description box or either from the I button. So without any further, let's get started this video. So our next topic is zeros of polynomials. So in here we don't have to only consider about the zeros of polynomial. Here the equation will be given and we have to find the zero of that given polynomial, or we have to check whether the given number is the zero of that polynomial or not. Let's understand with example. First question is, check whether -2 and 2 are the zeros of polynomial, that is x plus 2. So here, for solving these types of questions, firstly we will let that px is equals to the given polynomial x plus 2. So we have to check here. Then we will take, firstly in first case, we will take x is equals to -2 and then put this on the place of x. P minus 2 is equals to -2 plus 2. P minus 2 is equals to minus plus is equals to 0. So here we can clearly see that at last we have got 0. So we can say that yes, -2 is the zero of the given polynomial x plus 2. Now let's see another. We will do the same with this 2. P2. We will take px is equals to x plus 2. Then at the place of x we will write 2. Wherever we found x, we will write 2. P2 is equals to 4. So here we can clearly see that 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 and we have got 4. So this is not the zero of the given polynomial. 2 is the zero of the given polynomial, but -2 is the zero of given polynomial, but 2 is not. So our next question is, find the zero of the given polynomial, that is px is equals to 2x plus 1. So in the first case we were given the zero of polynomial and we have to verify that, and in the second case we have to first of all find the zero of the polynomial and then we can verify it. So for this, firstly we have to consider that px is equals to 0 because we are finding the zeros of the polynomial. So if px is equals to 0, so here we will write 2x plus 1 because px is equals to 2x plus 1. So at the place of px we can write 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. So here an equation is formed. 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. So we have to find the value of x, then only we will get the 0. So we will take here x, and if we will move these 2 and 1 here, and 0 will come there. So x plus 0. So here what we will get? X is equals to, this is in plus 1, here it will become -1, and this is in division. So when we will move it from the left hand side to right hand side, this will become in division. So we will get 1 by 2. This is our answer. So we have considered that if we will put 1 by 2 on the place of x and here also, so by solving this we will get 0. So I hope that you all have understood about the zeros of polynomial. Here our topic is remainder theorem. Here we have already studied about zeros of polynomials, so our next topic is remainder theorem. Let's start. So the remainder theorem means here you will do the same as you have already studied in earlier classes. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here this you have studied in earlier classes. And now in the polynomials, here we will consider px as a dividend, gx as a divisor into quotient, that is qx, plus remainder, that is rx. Let's understand with an example. For example, I have taken a number 2. If we divide this 2 by 3, this is not an example of polynomial, it is an example of number 2 divided by 23. So here what we will get 1. So this 11 is the quotient and this R2 is the divisor and 23 this is the dividend and this 1 is the remainder. So we can write it like this: 23 is equals to divisor 2 into quotient 11 plus 1. What we will get? We will get 23. So I hope that you all have understood about the polynomials within the numbers. So for understanding about remainder theorem, we must have to learn that how we can divide the polynomials. Then only we will get able to find the remainder of the given question. So firstly, let us understand about division of polynomials. Here we have taken the question x plus 1 divided by x cube plus 1. This is a very simple question. So here you can say this is x and here is x cube. Firstly we will see the first number. This is x and this is x cube. So here you can see if we will take x square. If we will take x square and multiply this into x. So what we will get? We will get here the number x cube. So this x square will get multiplied this whole x plus 1. X square into x will, if we will multiply x square to x, we will get x cube and this x square will be multiplied to this whole x plus 1. So x square into 1 we will get x square. So let's write. So here I am writing x square. X square into x is equals to x cube and plus x square. So now as we are going to subtract here, we have to change the sign. Here is the sign of plus. So but we are subtracting it, we have to put the sign of minus. Here is the sign of plus. We will change the sign in the subtraction of polynomials to the opposite side. If here is plus, then we will write minus, and if there is minus, we will write plus. So this x cube minus x cube will get cancelled. Now what is remaining? Minus x square. Minus x square plus 1 is remaining. So now this is the remainder. We have to solve it further. So here is x plus 1 and here is minus x plus 1. So if we will multiply x into x, if we will multiply x into x, we will get x square. So we can write here, but we have to see minus, we have to multiply it by minus x because here is the sign of minus. So x into x is equals to minus x square and then minus x plus 1 is equals to minus x. Minus x into 1 is equals to, you can write here minus x, you can also write here minus 1x or only minus x. So after doing this, here is the sign of minus, we will change it to the sign of plus. Then minus will get converted into plus. So this minus x square plus x square will get cancelled, and now what is remaining? Plus x. You can also write the sign of plus, or it is dependent on you. So here what is remaining? X plus 1. This number is remaining. So as you all know, any number multiplied to 1 give itself. So if we will multiply x plus 1, we will get x plus 1 and this will get cancelled. So here you can see clearly that this x square minus x plus 1 is the quotient, x plus 1 is the divisor, x cube plus 1 is the dividend, and here 0 is the remainder. So I hope that you all have understood about remainder theorem along with the division of polynomials. If you like this video, please thumbs up, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you will get notifications of my new uploaded videos, and meet in next video with another interesting topic. Thanks for watching.